Hey everyone, welcome back to Clip Your English. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Jake. This is our Learn English with Movies series. And wow, can you believe this is episode 10 already?
I know, right? Time flies. And guess what? This is our final episode of the series.
But don't worry, we're going out with a bang. Today, we're giving you something special, a complete 30-day challenge that'll help you learn English using movies.
Exactly. By the end of this episode, you'll have a clear action plan for the next month. No more wondering, how do I actually improve my English? We've got you covered.
So, if you've ever watched a movie and thought, I wish I could understand everything without subtitles, this episode is for you.
All right, Jake, let's be honest here. A lot of our viewers probably watch movies in English, but they're not really learning from them. You know what I mean?
Oh, totally. They just put on the subtitles and zone out. But here's the thing. Movies can be like the best English teacher you've ever had, if you use them right.
Exactly. So we created this 30-day challenge because, well, let's face it, most people need structure. They need someone to tell them, okay, do this today, do that tomorrow.
Right. So, Rachel, let's start with the basics. What's the first thing someone should do when they accept this challenge?
Good question. Day one is all about choosing your movie. But, and this is important, you don't pick just any movie.
Ooh, I like where this is going. What kind of movie should they pick?
Well, first, pick something you've already seen. I know, it sounds boring, but trust me on this.
Actually, that's brilliant. Because if you already know the story, you can focus on the language instead of trying to figure out what's happening.
Exactly. And here's another tip. Choose a movie that's not too long. Maybe 90 to 120 minutes max. You don't want to start with a 3-hour epic, you know?
Yeah, nobody's got time for that when you're studying. So what genre works best?
Good question. I'd say romantic comedies or family movies are perfect for beginners. The conversations are usually pretty natural and they use everyday English.
What about action movies? Those are popular.
Well, they can work, but there's usually less dialogue. Plus, a lot of the talking is like, look out or duck. Not super helpful for daily conversations.
Fair enough. Okay, so they've picked their movie. What's day 2?
Day 2 through 7. This is where it gets interesting. You watch the movie in sections, like 15 to 20-minute chunks.
Wait, really? Not the whole thing?
Nope. Here's why. When you watch a small section, you can really focus on the details. You can rewind, take notes, look up words.
Ah, I see what you're doing. It's like intensive listening practice.
Exactly. And here's the key. For the first week, watch each section 3 times. First time with subtitles, second time without, third time with subtitles.
Ooh, that's smart. So the first time, you're getting familiar with it.
Right. Second time, you're testing yourself. Can you understand without help? And the third time, you're checking what you missed.
I love it. But what should they actually do while watching? Just sit there?
Oh, no. They need to be active. Get a notebook, write down new words, interesting phrases, expressions you've never heard before.
And don't just write them down. Look them up. Use your phone, use a dictionary app. Make sure you understand what they mean.
Yes, and here's something most people don't do. Write down the context too. Like, don't just write awesome, right? That pizza was awesome. with the whole sentence.
That's such a good point. Context is everything in English. The same word can mean totally different things depending on how it's used.
Exactly. Okay, so that's week 1. What about week 2?
Week 2 is where things get fun. You start talking back to the characters.
Wait, what? Haha, that sounds crazy.
No, seriously, pause the movie after someone says something and try to respond. Like, if someone in the movie says, "How was your day?" you answer out loud.
Oh, wow, that's really clever. It's like having a conversation partner who never gets tired of repeating things.
Right, and you can practice different emotions, too. If a character sounds angry, try saying their line with the same feeling. If they're excited, match that energy.
This is great for pronunciation practice because you're not just learning words, you're learning how to say them with the right emotion and rhythm.
Exactly. And here's another week 2 activity. Shadow reading. Play a scene and try to speak along with the characters.
Ooh, like karaoke, but for movies.
Yeah, at first you'll probably sound terrible, but after a few days, you'll notice your rhythm and intonation getting better.
That's so true. I remember when I was learning Spanish, I did something similar with telenovelas. It really helped with my accent.
Nice. Okay, so we've covered 2 weeks. What about weeks 3 and 4?
This is where you level up. Week 3, watch without subtitles completely. The whole movie, start to finish.
Whoa, that sounds scary for beginners.
I know, but remember, they've already watched parts of this movie like 15 times by now. They should know the story pretty well.
True. And if they get lost, they can always rewind a bit, right?
Of course, but the goal is to watch it through without stopping too much. See how much they can understand naturally.
And week 4?
Week 4 is my favorite. It's time to get creative. Choose your favorite scene from the movie and memorize it.
Oh, like the whole dialogue?
Yep. Pick a conversation that's maybe 2-3 minutes long. Learn it by heart. Practice it until you can say it perfectly.
That's intense. But I bet it really helps with fluency.
It does, because when you memorize natural conversations, those patterns stick in your brain. Later, when you're talking to real people, those phrases just come out naturally.
That makes so much sense. It's like building a library of natural English in your head.
Exactly. And here's a bonus tip for week 4. Record yourself saying the dialogue, then compare it to the original movie scene.
Ooh, that's brave. Most people hate hearing their own voice.
I know, but it's so helpful. You can really hear the difference between your pronunciation and the actors.
Plus, you can track your progress. Like, record yourself on day 1 and day 30, then compare them.
Yes. Speaking of progress, let's talk about daily habits, because this challenge isn't just about watching movies.
Right. What should people do every single day?
Okay, so 15 minutes minimum every day. No excuses. Even if you're tired, even if you're busy, 15 minutes.
And it doesn't have to be watching, right?
Nope. Some days, just review your vocabulary notes. Other days, practice that dialogue you memorized. Maybe listen to the movie soundtrack and sing along.
Oh, that's a good one. Movie soundtracks are great for learning rhythm and pronunciation.
Totally. And here's something people forget. Use the movie quotes in real life. If you learned "no worries" from the movie, actually say it when someone apologizes to you.
Yes, that's how you make it stick. You have to use it, not just study it.
And keep a movie journal. Every day, write one sentence about what you learned. Could be a new word, a grammar pattern, anything.
That's smart. Writing it down helps your brain remember it better.
Exactly. Oh, and here's my secret weapon. Change your phone's language to English and imagine you're a character from your movie using it.
That's actually pretty clever. So you're practicing English even when you're just checking your messages.
Right. The goal is to think like your favorite character. How would they answer a text? How would they order coffee?
I love that. It makes learning feel less like studying and more like playing a role.
Exactly. And by day 30, you'll be amazed at how much more natural you sound.
So let's recap for our viewers. Week 1, watch in chunks, take notes, learn vocabulary.
Week 2, talk back to characters, practice shadow reading.
Week 3, watch the full movie without subtitles.
Week 4, memorize your favorite scene and get creative with it.
And every day, 15 minutes minimum, use what you learn in real life, keep a journal.
Perfect. And remember, everyone, the key is consistency. It's better to do 15 minutes every day than 3 hours once a week.
Absolutely. Small steps, big results.
All right, everyone. That's our 30-day movie challenge. We've given you everything you need, a complete action plan for the next month.
And honestly, if you actually do this challenge, you're going to see a huge improvement in your English. Not just your vocabulary, but your pronunciation, your listening skills, everything.
The best part is, it's fun. You're not sitting with boring textbooks. You're watching movies and having a good time while you learn.
So here's what we want you to do right now. Pick your movie. Seriously, pause this video, go choose a movie, and start day 1 today.
And let us know in the comments what movie you chose. We'd love to hear about your progress.
If this video helped you out, definitely hit that like button. It really helps us know what kind of content you want to see.
And don't forget to subscribe to Clip Your English for more English learning tips. We post new videos every week.
This might be the end of our Learn English with Movies series, but it's definitely not the end of your learning journey.
Exactly. We hope you'll take this challenge and run with it. 30 days from now, you could be understanding movies in English like never before.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Good luck with your challenge.
See you next time.